Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the Simon Ghost Riley from Call of Duty. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his sunglasses first. So we just going to draw in one line across. That's going to be the top of the sunglasses. And then on the side here, we're just going to come in. It's going to taper in, and then we're going to go back to the middle and draw a little line like that. And then we're going to slant it out and down. And then once you have that, we're just going to connect this on the bottom. And there's a little bit of detail right here, so we're just going to draw in a little curve right in the middle. Okay, so that's pretty much these sunglasses. So we're going to come down and draw in some of the face paint here. So for his nose, we're going to come down right in the middle and draw in two lines like that first. And then now we're just going to come out on each side. Let's draw a little curve coming in. Okay, and then from here we're going to draw in the more of the face paint. So this is going to be the top of his teeth. So let's draw one line like that first and come down. And then just close that off. And then we're going to divide it up right in the middle. And then now we're just going to draw in a bunch of little lines for his teeth. Okay, so that's the upper teeth, and on the bottom we got to keep going. Okay, so it's nice and mean. Alright, so now to draw in the shape of the head, and we'll add in more detail later. So come back to the side here. Drawing like a little bracket, so this is going to be the side of his head. So we're going to come down right around his teeth area right here. We're going to start turning in to draw in his jaw, and then we're going to close it off for his chin. Okay, and then now for the top of the head, this one's easier. So we're just going to curve up and flatten it out. And then just come back down. So after that, we just gonna finish up the face paint, which is really cool looking. So we're gonna start on the corner, right on the corner of the glasses on the back. We're just gonna come down right in the middle between the edge of his face and his teeth. And just close that off. Okay, and then we're gonna come on the side here. We're gonna go up. And then we're gonna curve this out and just kind of touch that line on the outside. Okay, and then we'll see that a lot better once we color it. And then just a little bit more detail up here, we can draw in one line across and then just curve it down his glasses. Okay, and then let's draw in, let's see, it's got some earpiece right here. So this one's easy, we're just gonna draw in a little bracket like this. So we're going to come down above his glasses, come down and just go back into the face. And then to draw in the strap on the top, we're just going to follow the same line of his head. So now let's draw in his vest, which is kind of cool looking. It's got a lot of stuff going on in here. So we're going to start out in the middle here. Just kind of curve in to the middle and come down. So this is going to be his vest. Okay, and then once you come down here, just kind of curve it out slightly. That was a little bit weird, but once we connect everything, it should be okay. All right, so when we come back up here on his shoulders, just kind of come out. And then we're going to come down about halfway of this distance right here. So we're going to come down about halfway. And then once we have this, we're just going to come in and just go down and connect to this. So we're leaving a little bit of space right here. So come in, just come down. All right, and then once we have this, so this is going to be some of this, I guess, little pouches right here. So we're going to extend that and just come down and just come back in and close everything off. Okay, so come out, come down, and just close everything off. Alright, so once we have this, let's come back up here and finish up some of the details here. So let's see, this is gonna be different material here. So we're gonna draw one line across, and then in here we're gonna draw in a couple of lines. It looks like kind of cloth wrapped around. And then to connect the vest right here, it's got some loops, some belts. So that's gonna be 1, and then 2. And then let's connect this on the bottom. So this is gonna be the top of the belt. And we're gonna come up right around here, just draw one section. So this is gonna be his belt. And let's draw in a little center here for the buckle. Okay, and then let's finish up the details in here. So in here, we're just gonna divide this up. So those are gonna be his pouches. Looks like his ammo pouches. And in here, we're gonna draw in the middle. I'm gonna draw in the flap. Little round shape. And looks like it's got another pouch here. So we just draw a little rectangle here. Okay, and then to finish off some details right here, come right around here, just curve it. And then on the side here, we're just gonna add in a little bar. Just kind of round off the top and bottom. So just draw in 2 lines. Alright, so that's his vest, and let's move on to his arms. So his arms is gonna be on the side here. So part of his arms is gonna be blocked by his vest. So just kind of come down right around here. So this is gonna be his shoulder. And then his bicep, just one bracket. Okay, and then his lower arm. So we actually can't see his bicep in here. So we're gonna start off with his lower arm right around here. And then we're gonna pinch this in. Close it off. And then let's just add in one section. And then for his fist, back of the fist, and just kind of curl it in. And he's got a little strap here around his bicep area, so we're just gonna draw in 2 lines like this across. And it looks like a little radio here, so I'm just gonna draw in a little rectangle. Okay, and then one little detail here, we can add in one little line. It's got a little bit of a device here, so we're just adding another rectangle. Alright, so let's move on to the other arm. So it's gonna be pretty much the same. So I'm gonna start here. Shoulders coming down. There's the bicep. Lower arm. Okay, so his lower arm's gonna be here, so we're gonna start here. Close it off. One section, and then for his fist, a little hook. Okay, and then let's add in a line there, and it looks like it's a little patch, so just a little bit of detail. Alright, so let's move on to his legs. And let's see, we're gonna start out in the middle. One little line. And start out here, come down and just kind of hook it in. This one's gonna come down, slight hook, close it off. And then for his knee pads, it's gonna be kind of straight. It's almost like a little rectangle or square. So other side, come down. So it's gonna be the same thing. Close it off. Slight bracket. Okay, and then for his lower leg, there's not much detail, so we're just gonna come out and then pinch it in. Close it. And for his boot, it's gonna come down and then it's just gonna come out. Close it, and one little line here. And then his boot line is actually gonna be up here, so. Alright, so same thing here. Pinch it in. Close and then come down. Come out more on this side. And same thing here on his boot. Okay, and then just to finish off some little more details here, it's gonna have a strap right here. So start right here, and it's just gonna go up. So start in the corner, just kind of go up into the belt. And then it's got a couple of straps here, so I'm just gonna draw in 3 lines. And just a little pouch on the side. And that is it for this very cool looking Simon Ghost Riley from Call of Duty. So hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.